blind freaks! Why can't they just...
Shionne, can you take care of them?
No sooner said than done!
Eagle Fire! Raining Slash! Here! Mega Sonic Drop! Here!
He's dead! Here's a hero! My astral raging campaign!
Rip and tear!
Sealed!
Blew away! Raining Slash! Now I'm in the doing!
Here's a
Hold
healing
nothing
arm.
back!
Lightning just wait! Eagle
Mega Sonic Drop! Coming through! Ha! Now! Scarlet Inferno!
Here,
Double Demon Fang! Here!
illuminate the dark!
Mega Sonic Drop! Here! Mega Sonic Drop!
Dash in the wind! Sleep now! More victory! Glacier
Mega
Wing!
Sonic Drop! Here!
Fresh!
Mega Sonic Drop!
In here!
Here!
More
Mega Sonic Drop! Dance!
Well, am I improving?
Tremendously. The speed and precision of your aim is simply unmatched.
I had no idea you were watching me so closely.
Now you see what I can do! Double Demon Fang! It's on! Blow away! Dragon Shout!
That statue of the art? Now I've seen everything!
Glory to forward! Got flyers!
Do it! I've got mark!
Look sharp! Lightning Tiger Blade!
Illuminate the dark!
Magic!
Holy Lamp! Eagle Fly! Illuminate the dark! Holy Quiver! Holy Lamp!
Double Demon Fang!
Not in your dreams!
Raining Slap! Raining Slap! Radiant Rally! Blow away!
Wind astral energy!
Mega Sonic Drop!
An astral...
That's my cue!
Shut them down. Let's refrain from losing.
Hey. Didn't we come through here earlier?
Yeah, I think you're right. I don't know where we are anymore.
Everything around us looks the same. It's easy to get turned around.
No backing down! I'll smash you!
Here's evil!
Dragon Shout! Raining
This one's mine! It's a duel of the Sleep now!
Pesky airborne scoundrels!
Sounds like a job for yours truly!
Raining Slash! Blow away! You picked the wrong button!
It's weakened!
This ends now!
Dance in the wind!
Blow away!
Air thrust! Photon blast!
The enemy! I'll crush you! Lightning reflexes! Tenebrous claw! First strike! I'll tear you Demon Fang!
Photon blast! I'm out of ammo! Watch and weep!
Here!
Leave the ensnaring to me.
Yeah, and the humbling to me. Watch this. Double demon flash. Anything in armor is all mine.
Here's the evil! Lightning condemned!
Blow away.
Thunderblade! Illuminate the rise! Come forth! Holy glimmer! Holy lamp! Here's the evil! Evil assault!
Now you see what I can. I'm just getting started.
Here! Dance in the wind!
Burn in hell.
First air drop!
Swallow down. Double demon
Lazy
fang.
cascade! Laser spear! Here's the evil!
Double demon
I'll
fang.
be baby free cleanser!
Eat this.
This one's mine!
Lightning horn. Double demon fang. Eagle fly.
Quiver more than a stockpile! Illuminate the dark! Holy land!
Here I come. In a vine.
Here's a healing arc! First aid!
I can handle it.
Go
Double demon fang.
Lightning storm! Hear me! Thunder fury! Illuminate the dark! Holy land! Free powered hurricane!
Eagle shot. Take this.
First aid! Here's the raging
Double demon
cascade!
fang.
Ready! Radiant, look here! Lightning
Run away.
fast! Go now! Darling! This one's got your name on it!
Ashes to ashes. Don't push yourself too hard.
What I can do!
Hands in the wind! Here I go!
I'm on it!
More for the stockpile!
Blow away!
Here's the
Double demon crash! Coming through! Ha! Now! Scarlet Inferno! Whoa! Look sharp! Lightning Tiger Blade! Dragon Crown! Megasonic Thrust!
Radiant here! Where are you going? Illuminate your
Megasonic Only! In an instant! Impact Block!
Looks like we won.
Right, here you go!
Healing arc! First aid!
That's enough! Take this!
Gale Force!
Not today!
Lightning condemned!
away!
Illuminate the
Rain
hero!
Slash!
The enemy heals us too.
You'll soon see about that!
Blow away! Raining Slash!
Gale Force! Here's a healing raging
Double
cascade!
Demon Fang! Swallow down!
Take radiant sword!
Mega
Field!
Sonic Thrust!
Annihilation!
Mega Sonic Thrust!
Annihilation! Raging cascade!
Eat this! Glimmer Dragon!
Field!
Blow away!
Radiant
Mega
here!
Slash!
Illuminate the here's a healing arc!
Double Demon Fang!
Not in your dreams!
Mega Sonic Thrust! Leave the charges to me!
Do it! Laura Halloween!
Light Burst Force!
Radiant Genesis!
I can feel my power growing!
What is this place?
Look! Over there! Looks like there's no backing out now. Ah, the old roaring beast welcome, eh? No class.
Look sharp, everyone!
Goron rolling out the red carpet?
Yeah, some hospitality. Can we all concentrate on fighting this thing?
Thunderblade!
Where are you going?
Illuminate the dark!
Double demon fang!
Now you see what I can do!
Go for the weak point!
Double demon fang!
Quiver dragon! I'm out of ammo! Eagle I'm all
Double
up!
demon fang!
Mega ray! Lightning!
Quiver
Radiant storm!
The enemy wields arms too.
We'll soon see about that! Burning strike! Glacial speed! Fierce evil!
Radiant slash!
Holy
Blue
Land!
away!
Lancer!
Powered hurricane!
Radiant slash!
Eagle fly!
Here
Blue away!
Not in your dreams!
I'm on it!
I'm out of ammo! Wasn't weak!
Here!
Chinese
Swallow
supernova!
Mega Sonic Thrust!
Take, watch it! There! I can carve through armor!
Gravitas
Mega
field!
Sonic Thrust! River!
Astral energy!
Say no more.
Here's a healing arc!
This one's all mine! Not today!
Leave the charges to me!
Hurricane! There's something in the tower!
Hey, hey! We didn't ask for a replacement!
Radiant
Can't get out of this!
Lightning arc! Raging cascade!
Double demon fang! Thanks! Stop!
Thanks so much! If it's in the
Double
sky,
demon
it's
fang!
mine!
I'm on it! Come and get it!
Chinese supernova! Here's a healing arc! Lightning condemned!
Blew away!
Radio! Here!
Radiant slash! Blew away!
Holy Glimmer! Holy Land!
Radiant slash!
Swallow dare!
Blew away!
Armor won't save! I'm just
This
getting
one's
started!
off!
Raging cascade! Here's a healing arc! In here!
Ignite!
All good things come to an end.
I owe you one.
Here,
We've got him on the run.
Don't get caught!
Right. Still anyone's fight.
Take this!
Double demon!
Eat this! Far enough! I'll tear you apart!
Raging storm!
Blew away! Radiant down!
Come and get it!
Double demon fang!
Lightning
I'm on it!
Laura, you alright?
Yeah, I'll be okay.
Here, let me help.
This isn't looking good.
Here's a healing arc. Raging storm!
I owe
Eat this!
Raging
Double demon fang!
It's go time!
Steel!
I can carve through armor!
Radiant slash!
It's weakened!
This ends now!
Now!
Totally! In an instant!
Impact cross!
That's one of them taken care of.
Should make things easier at least.
Here, let me help. First aid!
Wait!
This way!
Something's happening!
They fused together?
Here's a healing
In a
arc!
vine?
And became worse by the looks of it.
Is this its true form?
Far enough! Now,
Double demon!
shield!
Eagle assault!
Confiscated! Annihilation!
Glimmer dragon! I'm on a roll now!
Thunder Here's a healing arc! Dance in the
Armor
wind!
won't save you!
First aid! Sleep now!
Double demon fang!
I'll be saving you!
Radiant slash! Blew away!
Here! Light astral energy! First
I
aid!
owe you! Double demon fang!
Lightning!
This
Raging
one's all
carrying
mine!
blast!
The dust!
Ignite!
Reload! Here, let me help!
Double demon fang!
First aid! Sleep now!
Radiant slash!
More for
Blew
you!
away!
Take it down!
Demon Fang!
Holy land! This one's mine!
Blow away!
Handle?
Ready? It's time!
Here's a healing art!
Double Demon Fang!
Here's a healing art!
Can't get out of this! I owe you one.
I can handle it. I'll stop its charge.
Thanks, Kisara!
Recover!
Take this! Here's a healing art! Wind Astral
Double Demon Fang!
Energy!
This one's all mine! Burn! Double Demon Fang!
Eagle Flash!
Blow away!
Here's the evil!
Raining Slash!
Freeze
Blow
Land!
away! Raining Slash!
Raging Storm! Power of
Raining Slash! Blow away!
Gemini Aqua! Dance in the wind! Here's a healing art! Eat now! First aid!
Raining Slash!
Nothing gets by me.
Hurricane! Blow away!
Wind Astral
Raining
Energy!
Slash! Blow away!
Illuminate the dark!
Raining Slash!
Gale back into the forest!
Take this! Watch it! In a bind?
Here we go!
Eat dirt!
Hear me! Flame of Stone!
Double
I'll be
Demon
saving
Fang!
this one!
Eat this!
Raging Storm!
I'll tear you apart!
This one's mine!
Blow away! Eat this! Raining Slash! Blow away! Double Demon Fang!
Dance in the wind field! Here he is!
Double Demon Fang!
I'll be saving this one! Ready, go!
Double Demon Fang!
First aid! Hit!
I can handle
More
it.
where that came from!
Far enough.
Dragon Shout! Field! Reload! Eagle More to the side! First aid!
This one's all mine! Blow away!
More where that came from!
Ignite!
Lightning
Now you see what I can
Prepare
do!
to be sealed!
Take this! Illuminate the dark!
Swallow dance!
Holy Glimmer! Here's a healing art! Land! First aid!
Eat this! Rain Slash! Blow away!
Field! I'll be saving this one!
Try harder!
Freeze!
I'm on it! I won't lose. Not now, not ever! Double Demon Fang!
I never miss! Holy Land!
I'm on it!
Here,
Double
let's
Demon
do it!
Fang! Remove!
Astral Energy!
Say no more.
We did it. Everyone hanging in there?
Just about. Though if we have to waste our energy on many more like that, I don't fancy our chances against Volron. We gotta try to conserve.
That sound again.
You must be worried we'll have a change of heart. He's certainly pulling out all the stops.
Alphen, I know it's hard, but we have to stay focused on moving forward.
I know.
Are you doing okay, Shionne?
Oh, yeah. Thanks.
We don't know what else Volron's got up his sleeve. Be careful, all right?
I'll go check and see if the coast is clear.
What is it?
Oh, it's nothing. Just wondering what that was all about.
Huh?
It's just, you don't think Shionne is acting kinda weird around Alphen, do you?
Like standoffish weird? Isn't she always like that?
No, not that. I mean, since we rescued her.
Then I guess. Maybe it's the identical ancestor thing.
Maybe. I guess that could be it.
You sure you're not reading into it? What? What'd I say?
Nothing. Just forget it.
I can never win with you. You know that? I wonder if we're getting any closer to finding Volron.
I sure hope so.
We'll find him. And when we do, there'll be hell to pay.
Hey, Kisara. Have you noticed how Shionne...
Seems to be grappling with something all by herself?
Yeah, she's been acting differently around us ever since we rescued her. The same towards Alphen, too. Now that Alphen's regained his memories and his sense of pain, maybe she's become more self-conscious that she still has her thorns. In which case, it makes sense that she'd be feeling out of sorts. But I can't help but think there's something else, too.
You're wondering if there's anything you can do to help her.
Shionne said something to me once. Something that helped me move forward. So I'd like to return the favor and do that for her too. The only problem is, even if I did have the chance to talk to her, I don't know what I could say that would help.
Shionne's dealing with a lot right now. Maybe more than she can handle. Trying to unravel the threads of her own worries, that's challenge enough itself. Not to mention that trying to wade in blindly would probably end up making things even worse than they already are.
But how do we help her then?
For the time being, I think all we can do is be patient and keep an eye on her. That way, when she's finally ready to let us in, we'll be right there to lend her a shoulder.
I hope you're right.
So if Volron is the Lord of the Water Realm, then it's probably safe to say he has some water abilities tucked up his sleeve.
He and Alphen couldn't be any more different. It's like they were practically born to be rivals.
Looking back on it, in both of our previous encounters, he's only ever fought us with his sword. We haven't seen what else he's capable of.
And yet, even with only his blade, he still managed to overwhelm us. He's a force to be reckoned with. That much is certain.
Yeah, that guy is seriously bad news.
It'll be okay, Huro. We'll get through this.
Shionne?
It's nothing. Let's keep moving.
This area is the grandest looking of the lot, and not a single soldier in sight.
So probably the place. This is it, everyone. We can't let Volron treat people's lives like toys any longer. We need to put an end to his tyranny here and now. Everyone ready?
Ready.
We've come this far.
Without question.
I'm nervous, but I know what needs to be done.
We've come for you, Volron! Did you really come all this way, just so I could take you back over his dead body?
Bastard!
dismiss them?
He must not think he needs them to defeat us.
Why have you been coming after me? Isn't it your ambition to become the winner of the crown contest?
My ambition, you say?
I have no ambitions. Since the beginning, everything was mine to control. Everything, including your life.
I'm happy to see you.
What the hell's that supposed to mean?
A lonely, watery grave is all the burial you shall enter this earth. And yet, it wasn't without regret that I watched you sink beneath those waves. Now, I get to savor carving the life of your body myself.
So all this, kidnapping Shionne, sacrificing those people, it was all just for your own sick satisfaction? To help pass the time?
I would not expect you to understand the tedium that absolute power lays upon you.
I've had it with your mad ramblings. I'm here to take you down, Volron, and free those you've enslaved!
Very well. I shall look forward to fashioning my throne from the remains of your existence. Today you will die at my hand, and I shall bask in your final desperate pleas.
Well, I look forward to disappointing you.
Now we're never.
Here's a hero!
In a bind?
Illuminate the day!
Ready to go!
Holy glimmer! Holy
Denied!
How about some of this?
Primed and ready.
This!
I never miss.
Forward hurricane!
Take that! Crazy action!
Take this!
I'm all stopped up! Illuminate the day! Holy lamp!
I can carve through armor! Backbreaking does it!
Let's try harder!
Annihilation! Here's a healing
This one's all mine!
I really know you want.
You take the wrong
Now just won't stay still! If you can draw his attention, I'll pin him down.
Now!
Eagle assault! This!
Did we get him?
He's open! I'm ready!
Astral energy!
Say no more!
Is that it?
I'll finish you here and now! No further!
What's he
Now
planning?
this is enjoyable.
This looks bad. We've got to stop him.
Take it!
Leave the target for me. Lightning again.
Megasonic drop! Here!
Now, are you ready to entertain me? Don't disappoint me by dying just yet.
Eyes on the ground! Here it comes!
Damn it! Don't take your attention off him either!
Eat this!
Dynamic supernova. This one's mine.
Here you are!
Enter your hand.
I know you will.
Take it.
Damn it!
Take this.
Stand back. I'll trip it up.
In here.
Raining slap!
How about some of this?
Radiant pierce.
Raining slap!
Raging storm.
Take that.
Glacial spear. Here's evil. Ready. Freeze
Double
laser.
demon fang!
Confiscated.
There. Just like that.
Blew away!
Denied!
Lightning. Raging cascade.
Blew away!
Now this is enjoyable.
Air
Take this.
You pick the take this!
Entertain.
Do without this pain!
Anything in armor is all mine!
Now, are you ready to entertain me? Don't disappoint me by dying just yet.
Astral energy.
Say no more! Got him! It's all over. Volron. Now put an end to that death procession you're holding outside. Right now! You think this is over? What? Who do you think you are?
No, that's... How can this be? If Alphen's the Sovereign, how is it possible that Volron has that crest as well?
And if Volron's the Sovereign, then what was the point of the crown contest?
After everything we've witnessed, it would seem the whole thing is a ruse.
Bow before your sovereign. What the hell are you? How sweet your ignorance must be. You resent not being the only sovereign. That's why you're after me, isn't it? There is that Alphen. Sin is unveiling your strength. Sin? You use people as playthings. What right have you to speak of sin? Sin is good. The powerful care only for domination. We have asked for the rule. No one did. What do I care? Your want. You are but a mote of dust in the light.
Alphen!
I'm through taking orders from tyrants.
I'm on!
I owe you one. Eric!
Ready to go!
I can carve through armor!
Blew away!
Annihilation!
Ready to prepare to be seen!
Here's the healing art! I'll tear you apart! Come forth, holy glitter, holy land! I'll end you! Searing flame! Eagle song!
I shut it right
Illuminate the dark! First aid!
I owe you one.
I'm here! Eagle song! Out of ammo!
Unleash lightning!
Dance in the wind! Here, let me help!
I owe you one.
Where are you going? Feel!
Unleash
I'll
lightning!
take this one! Recover!
Lots
Feel!
of pain.
Eat this!
Here's the healing art! First aid!
Blow away!
Freaking does it! Air thrust! Radiant! Attack time! Ready!
He's too fast to keep up with.
Then we'll take him together. Rinwell, follow my lead.
Okay.
I'll provide cover.
Healing art!
I owe you one. Coming through! Ha! Now! Scarlet Inferno! I shall erase away! Look sharp! Lightning Tiger Blade! Know your place!
Far enough!
Blow away! Kneel before your sovereign! Rain
I'll finish you here and now! Holy land!
Your life will end here!
He's about to attack! Damn it! We need to stop him!
Raging
I
water!
am true sovereign! All others shall be banished!
Eat this! Where are you going?
Try harder! Try harder!
Could this be the true power of a sovereign?
What is this?
Now you see what I can do!
Raining slash! I shall erase everything! Raining slash!
Radiant
Raining
Healer!
slash!
I'm really over.
Arc Shield! Recover! Leave them not in your dreams!
First strike!
Far enough! Here's a healing arc! Dance in the wind! First aid! Feel! I'll cover! Light after energy! Recover!
That's
Raining slash!
Here's a healing arc!
Burn in hell!
Shining Supernova! Dance in the wind!
Raining
Air drop! Light after rain!
I shall be the ruler of all things!
More for the stop!
You'll pay for that! I shall erase everything!
What is this? Hey, you okay?
I can still do this!
Where are you going?
Swallow dance!
You require a
Here, let me help.
Can't get out of this!
I can't heal you forever.
Nothing gets by
All
me!
shall bow before me!
Dragon Gale Force! Lightning Blast! Thunderblast! Illuminate the sky! Holy Land!
Eat this!
Here
Kneel
now!
before your sovereign!
Dragon Spear! Pierce evil!
To be let free! You picked the wrong fight!
Freeze Lancer!
Run!
This ends now!
Consider yourself finished! What do you think you can do?
This guy's still standing?
The road! Everything rightfully belongs to me! I have seen the powers. Rules over and crushes those who fall in his pit! You are next!
Is it over?
Yeah, I think so. There. We finally collected all of the Master Cores. So what do we do now?
It is said that bringing all the Master Cores together in one place should form the Renaissance.
So, now we put Shionne's with the rest.
With that, we can finally free her of her thorns.
Shionne. What's going on? Are we missing something?
We can't be. So why isn't it?
Alphen! Behind you!
Shionne, are you the maiden?
What is this? Why is this happening?
What the? The Master Cores!
Is that darkness? A Dark Master Core?
The Renaissance. It's here.
What's going on? The Renaissance only supposed to consist of the 5 Dahnan elements.
What do you think you're doing?
She disappeared?
What in the world just happened?
Is it over?
No. It's only just begun.
A month has passed. For the time being, we decided to stay put in Ganeth Haros. Even with their lord toppled, we had a long way to go before the people of Pelegion would be liberated in their hearts and minds. Lenegis hung ominously over our heads. We knew we'd need to deal with it sooner or later. We still had so many questions. The two sovereigns, the Red Woman and the Renaissance, the present and the past of 300 years ago. Not to mention what happened to Volron's body after his defeat. Still, we were determined to keep fighting. I had my hands full taking care of everything. But in some ways, I was kind of grateful to be so busy.
Are you all right? You looked like you were spacing out there.
Yeah, I'm fine. Sorry. You need something?
It's about that citizen's petition. I was coming to talk to you about it. If I'm being honest, I think the problems of this realm's Dahnans hit close to home for me.
Oh?
You saw how things were in Menancia? We might have put way too much faith in Dohalim, but at least we could still think independently. The people of this realm weren't even afforded that much basic dignity. I don't know what kind of future the people here are going to ultimately choose. But whatever it is they decide, I want to help do my part so they can make that decision of their own free will.
You mean like how the Dahnans and Renans of Menancia chose to remain committed to coexistence? It'd be nice if this was a step towards that dream.
That's another issue altogether. At the very least, I want to believe all our hard work will pay off in the end.
Yeah. I guess we can only focus on what we can do right now and take it from there.
I'm going to go on ahead. Would you mind talking to Shionne for me? Once you're ready, we'll meet up at the castle entrance like usual. We can talk more there.
Right. Got it. Shionne's been hanging out in the observatory a lot lately. Let's see if she's up there.
Is something going on?
Sounds like it. Kisara wants us all to meet at the castle entrance. Taking in the view again?
Yeah. Looking at the scenery helps take my mind off things.
Like what?
Being a maiden. Whether I really am a descendant of Naori. Those kinds of things.
So, are you mad at me?
For what?
I destroyed the Renaissance, right as you were about to get rid of your thorns forever.
Why did you destroy it?
When I saw it appear in front of me, it reminded me of what happened back on Lenegus. And the rest was... it was all just a blur. I'm sorry.
It must have been a pretty terrible memory. Besides, we don't know that the Renas Alma actually was destroyed. For all we know, it might have disappeared with that red woman.
If so, then why are
Don't. It's okay. You brought me back. You got me away from Volron. That's enough for now. Let's get going. We shouldn't keep everyone waiting.
Hey, Shionne.
Don't.
Okay.
I'm sorry. But if you come any closer, you'll only end up getting hurt.
Because of your thorns, you mean? Trust me, I've endured...
No, that's not it. You don't understand, Never mind. Sorry, just forget I said anything, okay?
If it isn't your thorns, does that mean there's something else?
It's just... It's nothing, really, okay? So you can stop asking me.
Okay. In that case, I'll see you up ahead, okay?